Okay, next, we're gonna be going down here and getting our bolts. Okay. Ooh, careful not to drop the washer too. Our hold down bolt. And there's the distributor hold down key. Okay, we got that out. Now, you want to find where the distributor's plugged in at, unplug it. It's probably good to use a pick tool or basically whatever you got, but in our case we're just gonna, well, shit's dry rotted. Yeah, go figure. Look what we got, a new distributor. Alright. Got that undone. And then we're going to unplug our vacuum advance. Okay. Simple enough. Okay. Now, I'm going to grab our new. This truck's a pile. Yep. Dirty last gold. Receipts and everything. I'm assuming there's probably going to be 4 of this. But get our main goodies out. So it's universal distributor, comes with both cap styles. Obviously ours is other cap style. I like how these are O-ring distributors too. It's a lot better than the, press down gasket style that Chevy offers, but it's all on preference, I guess. Okay. We get both style rotor buttons. Ours is obviously the bigger one. That's a pretty cool kit though, I'm not gonna lie. What orientation were they looking for? Just kind of not curious about. There we go. to show you how easy it is to swap one of these distributors. Okay, what we're going to do is check orientation of everything. Make sure we got all this pigtail shit out of the way so we can pull it straight up. Okay. So, what we're going to proceed to do next, it's got a brand new cap on it. So, I don't like that there's some pretty bare wire showing up. That's a bad deal. We'll probably have to fix that. But what you do, essentially, distributor's in there pretty good. Seems like it's almost seized up. So, time to get some pry bars. I like the sound of that spring. I'm guessing that's gonna be part of our problem right there. Why the old distributor didn't fire. But this customer obviously hasn't given much attention to this poor thing in a while.
Thank you.
Have to check it out to see if it starts. And if not, we got plenty to test electrical. It's obviously not the right key.